Hello, good morning. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are going to talk about Justin McSwain from My 600 Pound Life. This Carolina man loses 22 pounds of abdominal skin and trains to be a pilot. We have more details on this. Please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. My 600 Pound Life viewers must have seen Justin McSwain from South Carolina originally appear in an episode on January 23rd, 2019. The young man started his weight loss journey with Dr. Now at 687 pounds, and in his first run on the show, he had lost more than 334 pounds. His determination and kind demeanor had stuck out to audience, and he amassed a huge fan following on social media after his episode aired. Now, Justin is back again for a second stint on the show, and it is as successful as the first one. This time, he wants to get rid of the excess skin that's weighing him down. Season 7 of My 600 Pound Life, Where Are They Now, begins airing on Wednesday night on TLC. So who is Justice McSwain in My 100 Pound Life? So and where is he now? So for those who don't know him yet, Justice McSwain was a food addict, and his toxic relationship with his meals began at a young age when his parents divorced, and he found comfort in food. He was able to reverse all the damage that he had done to himself with Dr. Now's weight loss program in season 7, and he was back on show again to lose all the loose skin hanging him down, resulting from his excess weight loss. Dr. Now removes 22 pounds of skin from Justin McSwain's abdomen. Justin's goal was to be on the show again to lose extra skin and gain his weight in the 200-pound range. He had moved to Texas with his father, and the two bonded a lot over this period together. Justin was happy. He got to spend more time with his dad, who was absent during his childhood, and he also realized that he couldn't fall back on his mother, who backed out of being there with him in Texas for the surgery. So they overall removed 45 inches of skin from the midsection of his torso and 30 inches of skin from his sides, amounting to removing 120 inches of Justin's skin line and suturing up to 500 blood vessels. Justin was down to 241 pounds before his surgery, and after losing all that skin, his new weight was 224 pounds. So, what is Justin McSwain doing now? What is he up to now? At the end of the episode, Justin was doing the things that he wished all the time for a long time, but his weight got in the way. Justin decided to keep challenging himself, but at the same time do the things that were on his wish list for a long time, including whitewater rafting. The episode also saw him taking a flying class in Texas, a first step in the direction of becoming a pilot, right before moving back to South Carolina. So let's talk a little bit about Justin's, dating life. Is he romantically involved with someone? We saw that Justin was accompanied by his close friend Jordan, who was present at the hospital during the surgery. She says that they have known each other forever. He means a lot to her, and she hopes that the surgery really helps Justin kind of, get some closure on this part of his life. But it's not clear if Jordan and Justin McSwain are in a romantic relationship and are dating each other. However, the letter is very open to his fans on Instagram, and viewers can check his page, his handle. So maybe he would in future give us some updates about his love life and who is he romantically involved with, and we will keep following on that. Today we have only this till now, so please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.